ever thought what is the difference between successful students and the average ones? Why do some students who appear to study all the time get fewer marks, while others who don't appear to put in as much time and efforts achieve more marks? Hi students, this is Anuva from AglaSem and we are back with another helpful video for all of you. I am a 21-year-old now, but when I was younger and used to score less marks, I always did question meditation and asked myself a few questions which should be asked by you as well. The first question which I used to ask myself was, do I have an organized study plan or not? If not, the first thing I used to do is to make an intelligent study schedule. I usually divide my morning time for the theoretical subjects as it is the best time to memorize the concepts, while at night I used to practice mathematical equation and mathematical problems. This is how I used to make my study smart plan. Yours can be different as per your needs. However, your role does not end over here. Following this is equally important. The next question which I used to ask myself was, do I have a quiet place to study? If not, find the quietest corner in the house and set up that place with your study material. Moreover, I even asked myself, do I have a positive approach or not? I genuinely believe that the mood with which you start studying has a great role in your end performance. Your mindset for studies is everything. Are you wondering now how to study with a positive mindset approach? So always remember, doesn't matter how your day was. Go and wash your face before studying every time. Take a deep breath and say these lines to yourself. I will study with my full concentration today and I will do my best. I will study to enhance my knowledge and I will do my best. No energy can stop me from achieving my dreams and I have to study really hard today to achieve the heights tomorrow. Good study habits usually include your desire to succeed, the time management, self-discipline, good concentration, memorization, organization, and your efforts. I have also came across a lot of students who struggle with excuses. They make a good study plan, however, they skip the schedules. If this happens with you as well, then always remember one thing. A great human being once said, be stronger than your strongest excuse. Never run from putting the efforts. Today you study, tomorrow you rule. This is the right time to gain knowledge and you should not run from it. After researching on this topic a little more, I have found some successful students and their habits. So those are, the first thing they did is they prioritize. They make a list of what they intend to study. They decide which subjects require more time. They decide which chapters need more attention. They make a priority list of what is more important and what is less important. They do the first things first and they stick to it. They make their study schedules, they follow them, they definitely do not skip and make excuses at the time of their study plans. Moreover, each time they study, they have a specific goal in their head. They never procrastinate their planned study sessions. They study in a place where there is no disturbance. Also, it is absolutely important to know that do you study better in groups or individually. Plus, making review notes, doing a schoolwork and reading the chapters before starting them in the class is equally important. Now, moving forward, I have few tips for every student. So, first thing is always take short breaks away from your desk after every 30 to 40 minutes of your study. Second, it is also suggested to read the chapter summaries before hitting the actual chapter. In classes, thinking is one of the most important things you can do. Stop writing everything the teacher is saying. First of all, bring that in your head, understand the concept and then write it down. Memorize it over there in the class as well. So to end the video, I will say the study skills presented here in this video are nothing if you do not have the willingness to improve and do something. If you really don't want to make the effort and sacrifice, no amount of suggestions, ideas or outlines can help you in life. You are the one who is responsible of your education and effective study skills can help you. Work smart, gain knowledge and fly high. Thank you.